Afternoon again, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're going to check 441 over here by the dead tree. And this one is the one that had a blue queen. Anyway, we went through a lot of stuff. If you need to see, if you want to see how they got to where they are now, watch the playlist. It's legal. Because I can't explain everything every time, but then I wouldn't have anything else to do or be able to do anything. Okay, on 7-9, one of the queens hatched, I think it said. So that was a month ago. We still have water. There we go. If you see, there's no inner cover. It gives roaches and ants and stuff places to hide away from the bees until they think a bee's not looking. Okay, this is their food dish. It has a little bit still in it. But we'll be pouring it out and put more in it. Water. I guess they haven't been very thirsty. And that's okay. It's there if they want it. Okay, got a little pollen patty left. Let's see what we got. Bottom looks good. When I look at the bottom, I look along the edge here too. Make sure there's nothing there. If it is, I scrape it out because that's where the beetles and the wax moths will be laying eggs. I think I'm gonna put my glasses on for this one. It's getting. We had a little rain a few minutes ago and everything got cloudy, but it got a whole lot cooler here. We can deal with clouds, and I can deal with the heat if I have to. I was born in South Carolina and I love it. Okay, this one here has some pollen, little pollen, not much, and nectar. And that side too. That's there. And if I see too much stuff on the bottom, what I'll do is take the box off, take the bottom off, and the way I build my bottoms, I can use both sides of it. But I build my own bottoms. And what I'll do is take this off, get the bees off the bottom board, scrape it clean, take my torch and torch it. Then I'll flip it over and the side that I just cleaned I'll put on the underside, and the side that was on the underside will be now at the top side. This one here has a lot of brood. It has brood and larvae. I think this queen is probably unmarked too. Both sides. Honey at the top. The bugs. This one, has brood and honey. And larvae of little eggs. So she's doing her job. Whoop, there she is. Right here. Just walking around now, ain't got a care in the world. She's just looking for a place to lay. Pote. Your pollen input over here. Okay, you girls can come with it. This is just an empty frame. We had a problem getting the queen back in this hive though. That's just one that they're working on, fishing line. I get my fishing line 20 pound from unmarked because it was the cheapest around here. We got no hunting. A hunting fishing place left. They closed down. He retired. Little 20 pound fishing line is hard to find anymore. She got some room in there she can lay. And it being what it is, I'm going to take this one out of here and put it on the end. It up there, out of the way. I'm going to bring this one over. This one's shy one frame too. This one has brood and honey. Yeah, she's been working this last month. Both sides. This one has honey and nectar. That frame's a long way from being extracted for honey. That's when you get sweet water. That's only if what they've been feeding with sweet water. I feed mine sweet water. But you notice I haven't been taking any honey off of them. If I start to get honey bound and I need the frames, I will extract the honey and feed it back to them. Okay. This box here has had a fairly strange life. Where it is right now, it started off as 445. Had a blue queen, so we took her away. They made another queen. Anyway, different stories. We took queens from one place, put them somewhere else and everything. And this is what we got now. Y'all could look back on the playlist, 441 and 445. and see how they get. I like to watch them sometime again too. Right down there. Getting their water back. Get some pine straw. Get their food put in there. There you go. Little girls can jump, but they can't fly yet. There you go. So we'll take all that old pine straw there and dump it out. Cover this back up. The marked queen in there. Eggs, brood, and larvae. Y'all just give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, share. Y'all have a marvelous day.